Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 40-piece rhinestone set. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the rhinestones now. As you can see, you get a variety of colors. There are so many color options to choose from. Included, you get a set of tweezers. You get this little pencil. It's going to help you easily pick them up. You also get 3 different glues. This is everything that comes in the package. So first I want to go ahead and show you on fabric. I went ahead and put rhinestones on a hat that I have. As you can see, pretty simple. I added the glue around and the rhinestones. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bedazzle the outer shell of the case on my phone. Again, this was very easy to do. I used the glue and the little color pencil to pick up the beads. It was so easy and to bedazzle my phone. Take a look. That's what the finished product looks like.
So if you've been on the lookout for a new rhinestone set, one that's good quality at a good price and comes with a variety of colors, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you. And also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.